If you want to quickly calculate the average of a set of numbers in LibreOffice Calc, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the average function step by step, so you can get your result in just a few seconds. This is really useful for grades, sales numbers, expenses, test scores, or any spreadsheet where you need a simple average without doing the math yourself. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Now let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have a spreadsheet file you want to work in, you can open that too. But if you're starting from scratch, on the left side under Create, click Calc Spreadsheet. That will open a new spreadsheet where you can enter your numbers and calculate the average. Once your spreadsheet is open, look for the cell where you want the average result to appear. This is important because the function will place the answer in the cell you choose first. So click the empty cell where you want the final average to show up. Now type equals average and then open the parentheses. So that looks like this, equals average. After that, you need to select the number cells you want to include in the calculation. You can click and drag across a row or column of values, or select a range of cells manually. For example, if your numbers are in cells A1 through A5, the formula will automatically pull those values into the function. LibreOffice Calc is smart enough to recognize the range once you select it. If you want to include more than one group of numbers, you can also select additional cells or ranges depending on how your data is arranged. The main thing to remember is that the average function only works with the values you include inside the parentheses, so make sure you select the correct cells before moving on. Once you've selected all the cells you want to average, type the closing parenthesis, so your formula should now look complete. After that, press Enter on your keyboard, and that's it. LibreOffice Calc will instantly calculate the average value and display it in the cell you selected. This saves you time and helps you avoid mistakes when working with multiple numbers. If you ever need to double check the formula, click the result cell and look at the formula bar at the top. You should see the full average function there, which makes it easy to edit later if you want to change the numbers being included. A quick tip, if your spreadsheet includes blank cells, the average function usually ignores them, which is helpful when your data set isn't perfectly filled in. But make sure you're selecting the right range so you get the result you actually want. Another good tip is to use this function whenever you're working with reports, summaries, or performance tracking. Instead of manually adding numbers and then dividing them, Calc does all the work for you automatically. So to recap, open LibreOffice, open or create a Calc spreadsheet, click the cell for your answer, type equals average, open parenthesis, comma, select your number cells, close the parentheses, and press Enter. In just a few seconds, your average value appears right where you need it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.